Hello my friends, this is the video that I made on NIO on August 22nd when the price of this asset was, as you can see right here, at 5.54 at regular hours and at $5.89 at pre-market hours. And at this very point, my main assumption was that we have to hit the level of about 5.95. This was my primary price target, and right after the bounce to the downside, not the biggest one, it can even break these two levels, I mean 5.95 and $6.05, and go a little bit higher. And guys, take a look right here. We were at this very point, and right after I made my previous video, NIO touched to the tick. You can see it right here, touched the $5.95 level. Then it bounced back a little bit, and with the huge conviction of volume, it broke these two levels of resistance. And for now, it is hovering slightly above $6 mark. And guys, this is another evidence of the power of technical analysis. It is not for the first time when I caught the majority, the most, I would say, substantial movements of this asset. Previous one was made somewhere at this point where I caught its price movement to the level of about $4.81. And yes, I didn't catch the entire wave, but if you can do it better, just do it. And if you want to know more about technical analysis, if you want to enhance your trading skills, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel and join my Patreon account. And guys, for now, you can join my Patreon account. You can join two tiers of my Discord group. One of them costs you $50 a month, and you will have 30-minute one-on-one Zoom call once a month. But if you join with the gold tier, you will have a weekly one-on-one training session with me for just $150 a month. And guys, to be honest, this is the most popular tier for my patrons right now. And let me show you a sneak peek on the most recent activity in the Discord group. Just recently, I published the recap of the week of July 28th through August the 3rd, and let me quote you this. On Monday, I prepared a list of 13 tickers that looked most promising for short positions. As of August the 6th, 10 of them delivered returns ranging from 0.33% to 24.4%, an average profit of 6.1%, while only 3 tickers showed a potential loss between 0.85% and 1.74%, an average loss of 1.22%. More detailed information is available in the attached images. And you can see that I made this call on July 28th, and I wrote, here's a list of tickers that might present shorting opportunities. Please remember, this is not a blind trade signal. Further technical analysis is required before taking actions. And here is the list of the tickers that gained substantial profits. It is 10 of them, and only 3 went in completely opposite direction. I also gave a direct short scalping recommendation on Tesla and Oracle. Both brought an average profit of around 1.5%. In addition, I identified one ticker suitable for a medium-term short position. If you'd like to know which company that is, join my Patreon. As usual, I provided a detailed market overview and analyzed the following tickers: SPY, BBAI, NOV, UNP, NIO, UAA, and CRWV. So guys, if you want to be a part of this amazing community, join my Patreon.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
So guys, and on today's video, I will show you what should we expect next from NIO's price action, what happened during its earnings report. You can see this substantial flash crash on pre-market hours, and what should you do if you want to enter your position with NIO. So, and let's take a look at some news. Let's take a look at the price targets of NIO from analytic firms. You can see that at the very beginning of September, from September the 2nd, right after they published their earnings report, you can see that we have new updates, and we have basically mixed price targets. From the lowest price target is set by Barclays. It is at $3 mark. The highest one is set by US Tiger securities at $8 mark. And we have a huge, let's put it this way, discrepancy in these price targets. This means not so many analytic firms want and can see the potential of NIO in the foreseeable future. That is why NIO is a very volatile stock, and let's take a look at other fundamentals. First of all, I want to pay attention to the most important news from my point of view. NIO reports narrowed net loss in Q2 as expenses declined. And we know that NIO spent a lot of money, substantial amount of money on their R&D. Because of this, their net loss is quite high. But here you can see that under these two bullet points you can find the following information. NIO recorded a net loss of roughly $697 million in the second quarter, its lowest since fourth quarter of 2023. Its third quarter delivery guidance implies September deliveries are expected to reach a record high range of 38,678 to 34,678 vehicles. And guys, it is very interesting to see that, well, let's switch to another news, that this company is expanding its presence on different markets, and they sell more and more vehicles. Definitely it will affect the price of NIO stock. And the most recent news that was published also on cnvpost.com on September the 2nd is following. China EV insurance registrations for the week ending August 31st. And you can see that NIO set its pretty much record for the year. It registered about 8,163 vehicles. We have 2 weeks that are quite similar to the numbers of these vehicles, and definitely if the trend continues, we can anticipate that this year will be the record year for NIO, despite its quite choppy level of insurance registrations for the entire year. On top of that, guys, take a look right here. So you can see that NIO set a record of deliveries in August, 31,305 vehicles, as Onvo and Firefly both hit new highs. And definitely their sub-brands, NIO sub-brands, have a very substantial numbers of sales. And in total, I believe within next several years, within next, I believe, couple of years, NIO will hit its primary target to be profitable, and it can be even the third company in the entire world, third EV manufacturer who is profitable at this moment. First one is definitely Tesla. The second one is BYD, and potential NIO might be the third one in this list. So guys, and let's continue with the technical analysis. But before we dive deeper right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, I have to admit that I didn't expect this type of flash crash during their earnings report, but you can see that it was just a temporary movement to the downside. It took just 30 minutes to form this huge wick of the candle, and well, to be honest, the volume is not the highest compared to the regular hour trading volume, but it was more than enough to make this flash crash. And from the very bottom, if I zoom out to hourly time frame, from this bottom that was established back in April of this year, this asset potentially already formed its 5 waves. But well, I have some exceptions in this count, but let me show you this. On a slightly bigger scale, we might have, this is our first wave, this is our second, this is our third, fourth, and fifth. And guys, I have to admit that, well, it doesn't look like an impulsive movement. It looks like a diagonal on the one hand, but I can definitely count all 5 waves in each and every wave, each and every motive wave in this movement. That is why I have some doubts about the upcoming price action, but I want to tell you that I cannot rely on this flash crash as the retracement for this entire movement, because if I pull the fib retracement tool from the very bottom to the very top, this flash crash landed almost at 0.5 level. It is more than enough to have this type of retracement, but it doesn't, in my opinion, it is not enough to have this short retracement. I mean short retracement in terms of its time, not the value. And that is why we might see another more substantial consolidation phase in the foreseeable future. That is why, guys, for now, about $6 mark, this yellow line becomes a level of support that should, well, in my opinion, it should be broken within a couple of trading sessions, and probably it might land somewhere around 5.4 or $6 mark, somewhere in this range. Then I will do another update because I want to see the structure of this movement, and only right after that I will be able to make some assumptions where this asset might land before its major trend reversal. So I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gone live it up on the attack.